a candle. I have taken a candle and put in the center of the tray. Now I have taken this much quantity of water and put in the tray. Now I have to lighting up the candle. Now I have take the empty glass and put on the candle. So the candle is blown up and the little bit water can rose up. Time to
Perform a simple science experiment. For this, I have taken a glass full of water, turmeric powder, detergent and vinegar. When we dissolve the turmeric powder in water, its color becomes yellow. When we add detergent to it, it becomes red. Now I will dissolve vinegar in this solution. It again becomes yellow. This experiment is based on acid-base reaction. Turmeric is a natural indicator. Detergent solution is a base, so it turns turmeric solution red. Vinegar is acidic acid. When added to basic solution, it neutralizes it, so the color again changes to yellow. Thank you.
For that we need a wet tissue, one tray, 3 glasses and 1 candle. Firstly, we will put this wet tissue on the tray and then we will put this candle on the wet tissue and we will light up the candle. And then we will put a glass over the candle. And then we will press it. Fire needs air, so the candle has used up all the air. This creates vacuum inside the glass. As there is a lot of air outside, so this creates pressure on the glass and the glass is stuck on the tray and this glass can pull up the tray. Even if we put more weight on the tray, even then glass can hold up the tray like this. So this shows air exerts a lot of pressure. Thank you.
Today we are here to observe World Science Day for Peace and Development. This day is celebrated every year on 10th November throughout the world. Every scientific innovation in some way or the other has an impact on our life. World Science Day for Peace and Development is celebrated to raise the importance and relevance of science in our life. The theme of this year, that is 2021, is Building Climate Ready Community.
To share my views on the World Science Day for Peace and Development. Celebrated every 10th of November, World Science Day for Peace and Development is a way of opening up the world of scientific knowledge and to inform and involve the citizens in science. It aims to show that although you may not be a scientist or a researcher, science is there all around you. Back in 2002, the first ever World Science Day was celebrated on 10th of November. It was one of the positive outcomes of the 1999 World Conference on Science in Budapest. The four major aims and objectives the World Science Day is summarized into are to raise awareness of how science can contribute to a more peaceful and a sustainable community, to advocate a transnational scientific community, to renew the interest in science and technology, particularly as a way to benefit the societies, and last but not the least, to draw the attention towards the challenges faced by the scientific community all around the globe. This year, 2021, is marked as the 20th edition of the World Science Day. With climate change becoming a serious threat to the lives of billions of people and the fragile planet we call home. So now, in a nutshell, I would like to conclude my topic with a famous quote by Louis Pasteur. Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the entire world. Thank you and wish you all a very happy World Science Day.